Dr. G. Madhuri, Assistant Professor, Department of Horticulture. In course Production Technology of Vegetable Crops, students will do all practical works here. Students will learn the cultivation practices and learn practical experience by cultivating all these crops. And here we have developed the year-round calendar for growing of vegetable. We can get the different types of vegetables in daily needs throughout the year. And not only these vegetables, in this kitchen garden we have developed the different fruit plants also plot by growing vegetables and knowing the importance of the nutrition in their daily life.